New daily cases up, hospital admissions on the rise, positivity rates starting to surge, all of which calls for government to focus more and not freak out on such viral metric changes that are all well within handle, as our Mark Vitalco once more narrates in this report.
The Department of Health is not considering the return of the mask mandate. Health Officer in charge Maria Rosario Vergeres said this amid the rise in COVID-19 cases in the country.
Ito naman pong ating mga regulasyon ngayon na ipinapatupad, katulad itong voluntary masking, kailangan lamang po talagang patuloy na magpaalala ang kagawaran ng kalusugan na alam dapat ng ating mga kababayan kung kailan dapat sila magsuot ng mask.
The DOH still encouraged the public to wear masks, especially the elderly and people with comorbidities, as well as those who are in populated places and areas with poor ventilation. Based on the DOH data, the country's positivity rate increased from 6.9% to 7.6%. The daily average number of COVID-19 cases also rose to 371 from 274 cases.
Nagkaroon tayo ng matagal na bakasyon, bukas na po rin ang ating mga sektor. So mas maraming interaction po ang mga tao ngayon. Mas ine-expect natin na magkakakaso.
The DOH also observed an increase in the hospital admission, particularly in some areas in Metro Manila and Mindanao, but asserted this was only because of lack of beds.
Ang ating healthcare facilities po, we have continuously prepared them in terms of the number of beds, in terms of equipments, in terms of medicines na kailangan para mapigilan ang progress ng sakit sa severe, and most especially in terms of our manpower.
Despite the rising COVID-19 cases, the DOH doesn't see the need to change or update the country's existing protocols when it comes to isolation, quarantine, and testing. Meanwhile, the DOH has signed the guidelines for the use of a second booster dose to the general population. Mark Vitalco for the Nation.